To get this beautiful pastel color setup on your Android home screen, you need to have these apps and files: Nova Launcher, KWGT Pro, Android 12 Widget Pack, Pastel Icon Pack. You also have to download the wallpaper and Nova backup file from my Telegram channel. All links will be in the video description. What's up guys, if you're already digging this setup, be sure to leave a like on this video and let's hop right in. As I mentioned, download the wallpaper from my Telegram channel and set it as your wallpaper. A simple way to get this setup after installing the necessary apps is by loading the backup file, so download it and restore it in the Nova settings. Once you've restored it, all you have to do now is to bring the widgets onto the home screen. For the widgets, we have a date and location info widget, a time widget, a music progress bar widget. On the next page is a clean calendar widget. Let's go ahead and add the widget to the home screen. Once that is out of the way, now the setup is complete. For the icons, I have my most used apps lined up with the three at the bottom being folders which I can swipe up to open. Keep in mind this feature is only available in the Prime version of Nova Launcher. I do love this aesthetic setup I made with Nova Launcher. It has this visually pleasing pastel color theme and it looks so much clean and stunning. Let me know your thoughts on this setup guys, and if you loved it, a sub to the channel will mean a joy to me, so kindly consider that. Alright, thank you for watching the video. I'll catch you in my next one.